Today I am reviewing the HP Mini Desktop PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When setting up a modern workspace, the old choice between a bulky desktop tower and a constrained laptop screen no longer applies. Modern professionals need standard desktop processing speed, but they do not want a massive, noisy box taking up half their desk. The HP Mini Desktop PC strikes an incredible balance by packing genuine workstation performance into a footprint that is less than 7 inches across. Featuring a powerful Intel Core i7 processor, 16 gigabytes of memory, and advanced multi-display support, this ultra-compact machine is built to tackle demanding professional workflows. In this comprehensive review, we will explore exactly how this mini PC performs across office work, heavy multitasking, and media creation, and why it might be the ideal hardware upgrade for your workspace. The first thing that strikes you about this HP Mini PC is its remarkably small footprint. Measuring just 6.97 inches in its longest dimension, the chassis is small enough to tuck neatly behind a monitor, slide under a raised desk shelf, or sit inconspicuously right next to your keyboard. HP even includes a dedicated vertical stand in the box, allowing you to minimize its desktop footprint even further. Despite its tiny size, the build quality feels industrial and robust, reflecting HP's commitment to enterprise reliability. The cooling system is brilliantly engineered, drawing in air efficiently while remaining whisper quiet. Even when pushing the system under heavy processing loads, you will barely notice any fan noise, making it perfect for quiet office environments or home setups where distractions need to be kept to an absolute minimum. Beneath its compact exterior, this system runs on a highly capable 12th generation Intel Core i7 12700T processor. This chip features an intelligent 12-core design that automatically balances performance and power efficiency. With a boost clock speed reaching up to 4.7 GHz, it handles standard business applications with complete ease. Whether you are crunching millions of data points in dense accounting spreadsheets, compiling code, or manipulating heavy databases, this machine delivers immediate responsiveness. It bridges the gap between traditional low-power mini PCs and full-size desktop workstations, ensuring that you never feel held back by your hardware. Supporting this high-performance processor is 16 gigabytes of responsive memory, which provides plenty of headroom for intense multitasking. In real-world office use, this means you can comfortably keep over 50 browser tabs active, run intensive back-end business software, stream high-definition media, and participate in active video conferences all at the same time without encountering a single stutter or system freeze. For storage, the computer relies on a 256 gigabyte solid-state drive utilizing the high-speed, non-volatile Memory Express standard. This drive ensures the computer boots up into Windows 11 Pro in just a matter of seconds, while application launches and large file transfers happen almost instantly. While heavy video editors or data analysts may eventually want to supplement the storage with an external drive or network share, the internal drive offers an ultra-fast foundation for your primary operating system and critical daily software. One of the absolute standout features of this HP Mini PC is its incredible multi-monitor productivity capability. The back of the unit features dual DisplayPort 1.4 outputs alongside an HDMI 2.1 port, allowing you to connect up to 3 independent 4K monitors simultaneously running at a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. For professionals like financial analysts, stock traders, data managers, or video editors who constantly need to reference multiple windows at once, this triple display capability is an absolute game-changer. You can have your communication tools open on one screen, your primary active project on the center display, and reference documents or spreadsheets open on the third, entirely eliminating the frustration of constantly minimizing and maximizing tabs. Despite its diminutive physical dimensions, HP did not compromise when it comes to physical connectivity. The machine is packed with 7 high-speed universal serial bus ports, which uniquely includes 2 hyperfast Type-C ports capable of 20 gigabit per second signaling rates. This makes it effortless to plug in high-speed external storage drives, audio interfaces, and modern desktop accessories. For networking, You get a dedicated physical gigabit Ethernet port for ultra-stable wired internet connections, alongside built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless wireless flexibility. To ensure you can hit the ground running immediately after unboxing, HP includes a full retail license of Windows 11 Professional pre-installed, a reliable wired keyboard, a matching optical mouse, and a compact 90-watt power adapter. It represents a complete, unified desktop solution out of the box with zero hidden setup costs, making it a stellar investment for anyone seeking uncompromising desktop power in an elegant, space-saving design.